Welcome to Sham Shui Po, a district brimming with life and history. As you see the bustling markets and vibrant streets, it's hard to imagine that this area began as a simple fishing village centuries ago. Over time, Sham Shui Po transformed into a powerhouse of industry during the 20th century, playing a vital role in Hong Kong's economic growth. This district's journey from a quiet fishing village to a dynamic industrial center is a testament to its resilience and adaptability. Sham Shui Po's past is not just a story, it's etched into its very landscape. The Yuen Po Street Bird Garden, a vibrant hub of chirping songbirds, echoes a long tradition of connecting with nature. And the Lei Cheng UK Han Tomb, a remarkably preserved ancient burial site, speaks to the district's rich history, dating back centuries. These landmarks aren't just structures, they are windows into the lives of the people who called this place home, their customs, and their beliefs, shaping the cultural identity of Sham Shui Po. Step back in time to the 1950s and 60s, when Sham Shui Po was a bustling hub of manufacturing. The district buzzed with activity, its factories and workshops churning out goods that fueled Hong Kong's economic boom. From textiles to electronics, the skilled hands of its workers played a crucial role in shaping the city's industrial landscape. This era, known as Hong Kong's golden age of manufacturing, saw Sham Shui Po become a cornerstone of the city's economic success. Hear from those who lived and worked through this transformative period, sharing their stories of hard work, innovation, and community spirit. While Sham Shui Po's industrial past is a vital part of its identity, the district has embraced a new era of creativity and innovation. Today, the streets are alive with a vibrant street food scene, offering a tantalizing array of flavors. Local markets burst with unique finds, showcasing the artistry and entrepreneurial spirit of the community. From art studios to design spaces, Sham Shui Po has become a breeding ground for fresh ideas, attracting artists, entrepreneurs, and innovators who are shaping its future. As we journey through Sham Shui Po's history, we see a district that embraces both its past and its future. The old factories and workshops stand alongside modern art studios and bustling markets, a testament to the district's ability to adapt and thrive. Preserving its heritage is crucial to understanding its journey, while embracing innovation ensures its continued vibrancy. Sham Shui Po's identity is a beautiful blend of tradition and modernity, a reminder that the past can inspire the future, and that progress can be built upon a strong foundation of history.